Hi everyone, welcome to Lesson 3, your introduction to Logos. At the end of this lesson, you will be able to explain Logos and how it is used in advertising and writing. You'll also be able to incorporate Logos into your own writing. So let's begin. Use this presentation to answer the questions on your notes paper. Again, if you need to pause the video as we're going through, feel free. To start, what is Logos? Logos is a persuasive technique that represents the appeals to facts, evidence, and reason or logic. Okay, so we're connecting here Logos with logic or facts. How is Logos used to persuade an audience? So, whether or not, with or without physical evidence, people are compelled to believe in claims that are backed with numbers, reason, and logic. So, some examples here you might see. So, specific facts, they might present you with statistics, poll results, or again, the whole focus here, a logical argument. How do companies use logos? Or why do companies use logos? Companies use logos because if they present a logical argument that engages the intellect and reason of the audience, they believe their audience will more likely be persuaded to again purchase their product, believe their argument, or support their cause. How can you incorporate logos? Technique number 1. You could use research and statistics to back up your arguments. Notice how this example phrase begins with a percentage. It says 87% of students benefit from textbooks. Right away, by giving us that percentage, they're showing they've done their research, they've compiled their information to make this argument. So again, that makes them seem more trustworthy to the audience and allows the audience to be more likely to purchase the product. Technique 2, you can use logical processes to explain your point. Think of an if-then statement. So for example, if you don't want gum disease, then you should brush regularly. By using this phrase, it presents the audience with that sense of logical processes. Here, I would think, I don't want gum disease, so then I would be more compelled to brush regularly. Technique 3, you must give convincing, solid evidence and reason to support your claims. So an example phrase, I need a car. It would make me more independent, save me money, and improve my life. So again, we have kind of that convincing, solid evidence that would support the need to own a car. Examples of logos. Pick one to record on your paper. First is talking about being a vegetarian. The passage reads, I have not eaten meat for 8 years, and I am fit and healthy. You cannot argue that vegetarianism is always unhealthy. Here, the speaker is referencing a time frame, 8 years, and they are using the logical argument of being fit and healthy to support the fact that vegetarianism is healthy. Down below, we have a reference to science. It says, we have conducted this experiment 57 times, and we get the same result every time. Again, using the number 57 and the word every shows that this experiment, the proof that they're getting, is true. Great job completing the lesson. Now it's time to practice. Ask a teacher for the Logos practice assignment. See you in the next lesson.